Okay, hello everybody. This is an experiment with an ultrasound, the same one we had earlier on. Sorry, my keyboard is a messy around there anyway. Okay, what we do based on 60 centimeter, it sends a pin. If you got an object, it sends a pin and it bounces back. That's why it's called an echo trigger. The the pin bounces back, and it takes certain time to come back and register the different distance for the light. So now what we have here, it'll be, as I go backwards, the green one comes out. As I get a little bit closer, then you have the yellow, and then you have the red when you're very, very close. So this is fun. You can put like 20 or 30 LED and, have a domino effect around based on it's actually fun, yeah. But it's good to be able to control the LED from different distance, exactly the same. It can be 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 60 centimeter. And these things can go up to, some of them can go up to 4, 5, 6 meter. This one goes up to about 2 meter. So yeah, well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it.